our next startup. I wasn't sure how to pronounce this. PiQuant. Okay, good. Definitely looking at the slide, it's not the Dutch way, which would be PiQuant. Could be something we had earlier. But I would like to introduce you anyway. PiQuant. So, thank you.
Hi, my name is Ellie from PiQuant. PiQuant's technology is inspired to save people from intaking what's harmful in food and drinks. In China, over 300,000 babies were hospitalized for renal failure for drinking melamine-tainted milk. So we came up with this solution, as you see on the right. You pour a little bit of milk in there, close the cap. It will tell you in your app whether it's safe to drink or not. People are living in a constant fear of whether it's safe to drink, safe to eat or not. But PiQuant came up with this solution so people can be safe, confident in what they're eating. Our OEM also had this confidence, so they're covering 100% of the production costs and doing the sales for themselves as well to produce and distribute this first product. This was only beginning, as you know. We will continuously develop to scan more things with the same device, and also solid food. So on the other side, that's the food scanner. We're developing for people with allergies, so people can have like peanut allergies or lactose allergies, and then they can use this device to find out whether it's safe for them to eat or not. And working with PhDs and professors from Stanford and UCSF and UC Davis, we also found out that we can apply the same exact technology to monitor glucose level non-invasively. That's the key part. I guess our strength is this expandability, how we can utilize this technology. I didn't tell you about the technology, right? That's the spectroscopy technology, using this optical sensor to detect and then analyze to the molecule level particles. Yes, we are also, these products in line are also in development, ready to launch in about 3 to 6 months. I say 3 to 6 months because it depends on how fast we can hire and how fast we can fundraise. We're looking for partners to stand with, for example, Samsung. Like, we can modify something in the camera and be able to use that camera to do the same thing that the food scanner would do, so we don't have to produce. So I guess the point is that we may not want to be the hardware company. We have the strength of the unique algorithm that we want to remain. So yes. So if you guys have any questions or inquiries, please let me know.
Thank you very much. Any questions here?
Yes. Who is then at the end your customer, and what is your yes? And do you make money from merchants or from the consumers?
Yes, we have 2 ways of making money. One is to sell how, when they go onto our app, it has a marketplace where they can purchase what other food ingredients they might want to detect in the food or liquid they're drinking. That's one business model. And then 2 is the sales of the IP, perhaps the product. But there's definitely open discussion for B2B potential. We've talked with electronics companies who came up with this an idea to embed the technology for their refrigerators to let their customers know whether it's safe to eat or not. That's also about potential.
Ewout, I haven't heard anything from you for a while. Do you have any questions?
Sure. Thanks. I like it. But why is this now unique? Because there's also other competitors or competition out there that does the same thing. Why is this yours unique? I get the camera thingy, but what's unique about it?
I can say in 3 different ways. One, we came up with a product. How many of those came up with a product and is selling? Are they selling? Yes. Oh, we can have a discussion on the side. And then number 2, as any good startups should do, we are targeting the niche market with our first product, which, I mean, it's niche, but it's huge. You know, in China, there are 20 million new babies born every year. We call it niche, but it's a big market for sure. And do I have a time for good?
Well, unfortunately, that's it.
So the last one, as I promised, the
one sentence.
Is a unique algorithm. Like, so we are image sensing.
That's more than one sentence. Thank you very much. Thank you.